Caution: reflexology, acupressure, should not be used by women during pregnancy or their menstrual period. Hello and welcome to all my lovely viewers. Hope you're all keeping well and safe. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. In this video, I'll show how reflexology, acupressure, can be used at home to treat knee problems like arthritis, pain and other knee-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please share it with family and friends who can benefit from this information. The point where the outer side of the small finger and the wrist joint meet is where the reflexology pressure will be applied, as shown in the diagram. Continue watching the video until the end to learn the entire treatment in detail. Do not substitute this treatment in place of any medication or therapy recommended by your healthcare professional. Results from this treatment may vary from person to person. Once you start seeing results, consult your healthcare professional before reducing or discontinuing any prescribed medication or therapy. The method of treatment depends on how long and severe the problem is. For those who have had this problem for a short period of time, use your thumb to press and release the mentioned reflexology point 30 times continuously. Repeat this treatment about 3 times daily. And for those who have had this issue for a long period of time, they should use their thumb to press and release the mentioned reflexology point 50 times continuously, repeating this treatment 5 times daily. The treatment should be applied on the left hand for knee problems on the left leg, and the right hand for knee problems on the right leg. Continue using this treatment regularly until you get the desired results. Thank you for watching and all the best with this treatment.